Hello everyone, here's Joseph from Russian Package. We are specialized in molded package design and manufacturing. Today I would like to show you a pulp tray box. It is made by supercannon paper. First of all, let's look at the surface on the box. On its surface, there are some reticle patterns. And then let's open it up and have a look. The inside is relatively smooth, including those grooves that it fit perfectly, including play a good role in protecting products. And on top of the tray, they have a clasp to prevent the product from falling off. This is one of our design points. Because if you want to customize other colors, as long as you provide Pantone color number for us, we can customize for you. And our product has a series of advantages. We have achieved the zero pollution, zero addition, zero emission in the production process. The wastewater and the corner cutting material can be reused, including deceptive products can also be recycled. The important thing is that it degrades 100% within 3 months, truly achieve the concept of environmental protection. And if you want to customize other unique pulp tray box, welcome to contact with us to get a free sample. Thank you for your watching.